Rangoli Gardens is a unique heritage-themed park located at Jakkur, Bangalore. Our beautiful journey through Rangoli Garden, a place where nature, creativity, and community spirit come together through this charming garden and experience its peaceful atmosphere, colorful surroundings, and refreshing greenery. Rangoli Garden, a colorful oasis of nature, art and community life. Rangoli Garden, Bangalore, a peaceful green escape filled with beauty, nature and serenity. Rangoli Gardens, a unique heritage destination in Jakkur, Bangalore, where Karnataka's rich village culture comes alive through beautiful life-sized sculptures and artistic displays. As you walk through the garden, you will experience rural Karnataka's lifestyle, occupations, festivals, traditions, and architecture. More than 8,000 sculptures help visitors understand how people lived in villages many decades ago. As we enter the garden, the first thing that attracts our attention is the well-maintained landscape. Trees, flowering plants, lawns, and pathways create a welcoming environment for visitors of all ages. The garden stands as a reminder that even in a busy city, there are places where people can reconnect with nature and enjoy moments of peace. One of the most important questions visitors ask is about facilities. The good news is that food facilities are available inside the campus. A restaurant serves refreshments and meals, allowing families to spend several hours comfortably without needing to leave the premises. Visitors have also appreciated the availability of food and dining arrangements. Clean restroom facilities are available for visitors. Restrooms are conveniently located within the garden area, making the visit comfortable for senior citizens, families, and children. Children will find plenty to enjoy here. Dedicated play areas and recreational activities help keep young visitors engaged while parents explore the heritage displays. Kids can enjoy various fun attractions and open spaces designed for family outings. Apart from the play area, visitors can also find activities such as horse rides for children, traditional Tonga rides, pottery experiences, and other family-friendly attractions that add entertainment to the educational value of the visit. The name, Rangoli, itself brings thoughts of colors, beauty, tradition, and artistic expression. Just as a rangoli brightens the entrance of a home, this garden brightens the lives of visitors come here seeking relaxation and recreation. Walking along the pathways, we can observe a variety of plants and flowers. Different shades of green combine beautifully with colorful blossoms. The fragrance of flowers and the gentle movement of leaves in the breeze create a soothing experience for the mind and body. Many visitors come here in the early morning. Senior citizens enjoy their walks while breathing fresh air. Young people use the space for exercise and fitness activities. Some visitors sit quietly on benches, reading books or simply enjoying the surroundings. One of the most beautiful aspects of a garden is its ability to bring people together. Families visit with children, friends gather for conversations, and individuals find moments of solitude. The garden becomes a shared space where people from different walks of life enjoy nature together. As we continue our walk, we notice the carefully designed landscaping. Every plant, pathway, and open space appears thoughtfully arranged. Such planning not only enhances beauty but also creates a comfortable environment for visitors. Children often find gardens exciting because they can observe birds, butterflies, insects, and flowers. These simple experiences help them appreciate nature and understand the importance of protecting the environment. Listen carefully for a moment. The sounds around us are gentle and calming. Birds chirp from the trees. Leaves rustle in the wind. People walk peacefully without the noise and rush of city traffic. Such natural sounds have a remarkable ability to reduce stress and refresh the mind. Gardens also play an important role in improving urban environments. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, provide shade, and help regulate temperature. In this way, every green space contributes to a healthier city. For senior citizens, gardens are especially valuable. Regular walking improves physical fitness, supports heart health, and promotes overall well-being. Spending time in natural surroundings can also improve mood and mental health. As an elderly visitor myself, I often feel inspired by places like this. They remind that nature continues to grow, flourish, and renew itself. Observing this process encourages to maintain a positive outlook on life. Many visitors use the garden as a place for yoga and meditation. Under the shade of trees, people practice breathing exercises and simple stretches. The peaceful surroundings make it easier to focus and relax. The beauty of a garden changes with the seasons. During flowering periods, bright blossoms create colorful displays. At other times, fresh green foliage becomes the main attraction. Every visit offers something slightly different. Bird lovers may enjoy observing various species that visit the garden. Birds play an important role in ecosystems by pollinating plants and controlling insects. Their presence adds life and movement to the surroundings. The pathways are spacious and pleasant for walking. Seating areas are available at various locations, allowing visitors to relax and enjoy the surroundings. The greenery and village atmosphere make it an excellent destination for photography and family memories. For senior citizens, the garden offers a peaceful environment with cultural learning and moderate walking. Families with children can easily spend 2 to 3 hours here enjoying both heritage exhibits and recreational facilities. Photography enthusiasts also appreciate gardens. Every corner offers opportunities to capture beautiful images of flowers, pathways, trees, and natural scenery. Morning and evening light often create particularly attractive views. A garden is not only a place of beauty but also a place of learning. Visitors can discover different plant species, observe natural processes, and gain a deeper appreciation for environmental conservation. As we sit on a bench and look around, we can see how people use the space in different ways. Some are exercising, some are chatting with friends, and others are quietly enjoying the view. Yet everyone seems united by a common appreciation for nature. In today's fast-moving world, places like Rangoli Garden provide valuable opportunities to slow down. Even a short visit can help refresh the mind and restore energy. The maintenance of such gardens requires dedication and effort. Gardeners, maintenance staff, and civic authorities work together to keep the surroundings clean and attractive. Their contribution deserves our appreciation. Visitors also have a responsibility to protect public spaces. By avoiding littering, respecting plants, and following park rules, we can help preserve these gardens for future generations. As our journey through Rangoli Garden continues, we are reminded that happiness often comes from simple experiences: a pleasant walk, a cool breeze, a flowering plant, or the song of a bird. Nature teaches patience, balance, and resilience. Trees grow slowly but steadily. Flowers bloom in their own time. These lessons encourage you to live thoughtfully and appreciate each moment.
Yes.
For families, gardens provide opportunities to spend quality time
Yes.
together. Children can play, parents can relax, and grandparents can enjoy peaceful walks. Such experiences create lasting memories. In
Yes.
conclusion, Rangoli Heritage Garden is not just a cultural attraction. It is a complete family destination offering heritage displays, food facilities, restrooms, children's play areas, and recreational activities under one roof. It is an ideal place to learn, relax, and enjoy quality time with family. Families visiting here can spend several hours exploring and learning. School students particularly benefit from seeing history and culture presented in such a practical and interactive manner. As our tour nears completion, let us reflect on the message conveyed by this heritage village. Progress and technology are important, but preserving our culture and traditions is equally valuable. Understanding our past helps us appreciate the journey that society has taken over generations. Rangoli Gardens is not merely a tourist attraction. It is a living classroom, a cultural museum, and a tribute to the hard-working people who shaped rural Karnataka. It preserves memories of village life for future generations and helps visitors reconnect with their roots. Dear friends, if you are visiting Bangalore and wish to experience the soul of Karnataka, Rangoli Gardens is a destination that should not be missed. The combination of heritage, art, education, and culture makes it a truly unique experience.